Welcome everybody to Bobbo's unboxing. Today we got the Ralphie's Funhouse box of pops. I'm not going to show you this side because it has my information. It has a total of 6 pops in it, Funko Pops, and there's one guaranteed at double value, so we'll check the values afterwards. A box within a box. Alright, let's see. And just a little receipt, you don't need to see that. Alright, I'm starting to collect more Funko Pops. I have 6, 7, 8, 9 right now, and I'm gonna start selling them. I'm gonna do a whatnot thing. I just gotta figure out how to do it. All right, so let's get into this. Let's try not to look. I think there's one in a hard stack or a soft protector. Alright, let's go with this one first. Ralphie's Funhouse. Ooh, what is this? One Piece. Marco. I've never seen this. Pop Animation. Oh, this is Marco. Funko exclusive. Let's see. One Piece S7 Marco Pop. If you don't know, on the bottom, when you open it, sometimes they show more information. But people like One Pieces. After we're done, I'll look up the PPG value. There's another one. Ooh, Monica from Friends. That's cool. Her with it, I think she's like this is the 1950s scene. And those are all the ones you can collect. Oh, she's like out of her. Let's see what the bottom says. Monica Waitress. It'd be cool if I got a Chandler, because he just passed away, unfortunately. So yeah, Monica Geller. Let's see what next. Ooh, that's cool. Freddy Funko. What is that? Artist Series, Fun Day Games, Freddy Funko. Box of Fun 2,000 piece limited edition Freddy Funko. Freddy Artist Series. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's go to the next one. Gears of War. JD Phoenix. That's cool. Pop Games. So I've gotten a Pop Funko, Pop Animation, and Pop Television. There's some like stuff on the back. I played this game when it first came out. Gears of War. You could like use the chainsaw and stuff. I haven't played it since. So that's number 4. Feels like there's only 5. Oh, there's 2 more. Okay. Alright, let's see. Which way is that way? The Predator. Got the Assassin Predator. That's pretty cool. Pop Movies. Super Predator. Oh, I forgot to look at the bottom of JD. What does it say? Doesn't say anything. Okay. So yeah, that was the Predator. So this was a box worth, I can't see. You can't, it doesn't say. I think it was $100. I forgot his sticker, Ralphie's Funhouse. Alright, so this should be a good pop. Though I did get the Freddy Funko. So let's see. Can't tell which is the... Alright. Pop animation. Jujutsu Kaisen. I have no idea. Toge Inumaki. Sure. I think the most expensive one is definitely Freddy Funko. It says, yeah, Toge Numaki. So this is, I don't watch anime. I think I've watched like, what do you call it? What is it? Dragon Ball Z, but that's about it. All the box condition is pretty good, other than there's a little dent right there. Not bad. Though I think this is the top hit, probably. I'm gonna guess. Let's look at box. Ooh, there's a little bump in the bubble. This one looks pretty good. They said the condition would be 6.5 to 9.5. So the Gears of War one looks really good. Monica looks good. This one is wild. A one piece. I want to take this one out just to look at it. I've never seen a one piece before. Wow. That is crazy. Wow, it's heavy too. That is wild. And he's like up in the air too. That's really cool. Alright, let's see PPG value. Alright, looking up PPG value. So, Toge, this one is $9. There was a Chase where the zipper is down, and that was 46 bucks, so I didn't get that. The next cheapest one was Gears of War, JD Phoenix, is $11. And then Monica Geller would be $12, but if she was blonde, she'd be $43. So I don't have that. And then the next one, Freddy. Predator. Sorry, I did that out of order. Predator would be $10. Then the next one would be the One Piece, which is $39. Not bad. A little bump. And the most expensive one, like I said, would be the Freddy Funko. It's worth $40. There's like 7 variants that go from $40 to like $80. It's just like different colors. So I got the $40 one, and I paid $100 and I got back $121. So not bad. I'll try them again next time, and I hope you enjoyed watching. For the nonprofit that I have, the Sweets 80s Difference Makers, The next event is April 14th. The Sunday, it will be our walkathon at Breakheart Reservation. So go to sweetsadie.org to donate, to be a sponsor, or to sign up to do the walk. All right, other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.